Hello.
Hey everybody, and welcome to Harmony Vintage Insider. This is take two. I just jacked up the last one. This is my wonderful wife, Angie. She is all the talent behind everything we do.
Thank
My
you.
name is Rick, and we are here just to do a video about Angie's got some things she wants to show you. We got a cool new product that's going into the booth this weekend. We got both Vintage Marketplace and Sugar Mill have events going on this weekend, so it's a great weekend to get out and do some shopping.
It is a great shopping weekend. Yes.
So, how are you, my dear?
I'm doing really well. I know you're a little bit. You're having allergies a little bit.
I got allergies going on.
Kind of making you a little bit under the weather.
My head's a little foggy.
Yes.
But last week when we did this, it was a blizzard. And this week, it is the most beautiful spring day, maybe ever.
I know. All the leaves are out on the trees. And
it's beautiful.
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
I love it.
So how are you, my dear?
I really am good.
Are you?
We've been kind of with allergies, like you had them, and then I had them, and now you have them. It's not been fun.
It's been a hill to climb, but we're doing well.
Yes.
I mean, if allergies are the worst things we have to deal with,
that is
not
true.
A thing.
That's true.
Last week, we put out a video again for the first time in a while, and my buddy Mark contacted us. Mark from Indiana contacted us.
Yes.
And he said, hey, I see you guys are making soaps. You should make some Fisherman soap.
Which I had never heard of.
Never heard of it. So I asked him, I said, give me more details. And he said, well, Fisherman soap is a soap that's made with kind of a licorice scent, an anise scent. And when you wash it into your hands, it kind of removes and masks the fish scent from a fisherman's hands. So I told my buddy Mark, hey Mark.
Hi Mark.
We looked into it. We looked up a recipe and we made Fisherman's soap this week.
We did.
Here it is right here. It is anise, lemon, and cedarwood.
It smells good.
It smells good, actually.
I like
it smells good. I can see how it would masquerade a smell on your hand, too. But we also put in crushed walnut for kind of a, what would you say, exfoliating effect.
Yeah, to help clean off, your hands get kind of gunky when you're fishing.
That's a technical term.
Gunky.
So,
yeah, it's good removing.
This has to sit for about another 4 weeks to kind of cure. But Mark, thanks for the heads up.
Yeah.
And this will be available in about 4 weeks.
I know. I think it would make a really good Father's Day present.
Oh, very nice. Very nice. It is getting to be that time. And then this awesome thing.
I know. Isn't that cool?
That is so cool. Our friend Don makes these, and they are great little benches. They're great for porches, patios, entryways, whatever you would do, wherever you would put them. They have these kind of faux little birdhouses on top, nice little fence pattern on the back, and that's probably 2.5 feet. What do you think? I don't know. I don't know exactly how big it is. I'm
really bad at distances.
It's a small bench. And we just kind of decorated it up a little bit to show it to you. We will have these on sale in the booth. We're just going to have one, and then when it sells, we'll replace it with the next. But $100 for a handmade artisan wood bench. Very cool.
It's so cute.
Thank you, Don. Thank you, Betty. You guys did a great job on this.
Absolutely.
So that'll be going.
And the back comes off.
Oh, yes.
So you can unscrew the back, and that way it'll fit in your car without a problem.
Absolutely. There's, I think we counted 9 screws, wood screws on the back that just attach this to this. So you could pick it up in a small car.
You could.
So there you go. There's new products that I was going to talk about. Well, would you like to do your video, or would you like to do?
I think we'll do this at the end. I am going to demonstrate using a transfer. I had this kind of cool project that I worked on, but I think, did we already talk about the events?
No.
Oh, okay. Do you want to talk about the?
Yes. Forgive us. Forgive us.
I just think it's better if we put this at the end, because we're going to have to move everything.
Oh, okay. That's a good idea.
So there's going to be a little bit of moving around.
Well, Vintage Marketplace, the corner of Trilby and College in Fort Collins, is having an event this weekend. Why don't you talk about that?
Yeah, so they've been doing a lot of construction in front of Vintage Marketplace, and it's been a little hard on business. I think it is actually, you can get in and out. Actually, it's not too bad.
It's easier than it looks.
Yes, but I think it's kind of keeping people away a little bit. So they decided to have an event this weekend. They're calling it their Golden Ticket event. And so it'll be the 25th and 26th. So that's Saturday and Sunday, right?
Yes.
And it's kind of cool. It's a little treasure hunt inside the store. Every day they're going to hide 15 tickets, golden tickets. So as you're shopping through the store, you can be also looking for a golden ticket. And when you find one and take it up to the register, you'll receive a gift between $5 and $50. So there's gift cards, there's actual physical gifts, but kind of fun.
No, a lot of fun. A lot of fun. When we've done this type of thing on ladies' night, the ladies get very excited.
Yes.
They find the little champagne bottles or whatnot, and they go exchange it for a gift. So that's very cool. Yeah. Kim, well done. And then there's another event going on. It's very cool. It's not just sugar mill, but it is Northern Colorado Shop Hop, the vintage edition. So it's kind of a self-guided tour through a bunch of vintage and antique shops. I think it's awesome.
Oh, yeah.
I think it's awesome. The 2026 Colorado Shop Hop, a self-guided shopping road trip in Colorado, April 24th, 25th, and 26th. You can go to coshophop.com to get the details on it. Sugar Mill is participating in that, and they're longtime participants.
Yes.
And,
I think they help organize it.
They help organize it, put it together. Always a lot of fun activities going on there for the weekend. So that'll be awesome.
So then other vintage shops kind of, they can elect to be involved or not be involved. But the ones that are involved, you can actually print out a little map and it shows all of the ones that are participating over the weekend.
Yes.
And I just think that's really great idea because it helps you find them. Sometimes these little places are hidden.
Oh, absolutely.
And you didn't even know it was there. So
you discover new and fun places. You support small businesses.
Yes.
And you gather with a community that is like-minded. It's beautiful, actually.
And I know for Sugar Mill, we've all been kind of fluffing up our booths and offering sales and different things. Like we have our furniture on sale for 10% off through the end of the month, actually. So if you've seen a piece that we have in there and you're interested, this would be a good weekend to grab it.
You're adorable. You're adorable. You are absolutely right. If you see a piece.
Well, they go fast. We've sold a lot of pieces this month. We sold
a lot of furniture this month. Shout out to our buddies.
Yes.
At Dispose Bros, always hooking us up and taking care of us. Thank you. If you have any haul-away needs, these guys are the guys. Over 500 Google reviews, 5-star Google reviews.
Yeah, they're pretty amazing business.
This thing is awesome.
It is. So we're going to have to do a little moving around because I wanted to demonstrate another transfer. We did. We kind of showed some last week, but this week, let me show you what I have. Yeah. Well, I don't know.
Let me start moving things around while you talk to people.
But remember, there's pots on here. So,
yes.
So I had a curio. Actually, I have a curio in the booth right now that's for sale. But I took the door off because I don't know. I didn't think people wanted the door, so I took the door off. But it's a really nice door. So I thought it would be really neat to put an IOD transfer on there, and then we'll hang it up in our IOD booth at Sugar Mill, just kind of as an example of something you can do. The first thing I did with an IOD transfer was to put it on a window, and it's actually hanging in our kitchen, and I love it. It's one of my favorite things that I've ever made. And so I think windows or glass are particularly suited to IOD transfers. And so I thought we would show one to you today. So this is a little bit big, and I'm just going to kind of try not to break it.
Dear? Let me.
Hopefully you can see that a little bit.
Oh, so, there we go.
Does it show up all right?
Yeah, that's showing up really nice right there, dear.
Okay,
you're doing a great job.
So this was just a wooden framed glass door, and I'll put the handle back on it. But I painted it. I used a cottage color plum pudding. Isn't that a pretty color?
Oh, I love that color.
Yeah, I love it too. I'm going to lay this down.
Okay, here, let me help you.
You know what? Can we turn it around? Because I don't want to work on it upside down, because I'm going to add one more element to this particular
there we go. How's
window. That? And I grabbed the transfer set from IOD called Menagerie. And this is a cool set. There are a beautiful set. All kinds of elements. So there are a lot of birds, some branches, some bird cages, some fruit and flowers. And I just had a lot of fun mixing and matching the elements and putting this design together. I think it turned out really great.
It came together really well.
I want to show you though, even with all of this that's on here, there is still so much transfer left. Like there's a lot. What is that?
It's the tornado warning.
Oh, this is a good time for that. So I put everything on here, but I saved this last thing. I want to put a little bird cage right in the center of it.
That is beautiful.
Yeah.
That is going to be really cool.
I'm pretty excited about it.
What color did you say that was?
This is plum pudding.
Oh, very nice.
Yeah, it's so pretty. And so I want to make sure I get this nice and straight. I don't know if they can hear that alarm. I lost my little transfer stick. Oh, here it is. Yeah, so these little transfer sticks come with a transfer. So anytime that you buy a transfer pack, you'll get a fresh one of these sticks. I always hold on to them because they're useful for other things as well.
That looks really good.
Does it look straight? The pattern on the
is it goofing you up?
I'm hoping that that's nice and straight. Does that look straight to you?
Yes.
Okay. So I am just taking the backing off of here. And then I'm going to lay this down on the glass.
Good job.
And I'm going to use my transfer stick. So this is probably going to take just a couple minutes. So maybe we should have saved all our news and information right now.
Well, I really enjoy the transfers a lot. As a novice crafter, I think this elevates the level of my art and creativity. It makes me look better than I am. And that, I think, is a selling feature. I think it's also cool that when you said one time that the transfer wants to stick to the project, and you were talking to me and said, my tendency is to apply force. Whatever I'm doing, more force will fix it. But you don't need to use force with this. Look at how smooth and easy she's doing that. It looks tremendous on there.
It works really well on glass, like extremely well. And this particular transfer set, I really did feel like an artist because it has a lot of little pieces that you can mix and match. And I spent a long time just adding a little flower here, adding a little branch. I put the little birds. Now I'm putting this bird cage on there. And I probably, honestly, will still add a couple more things off camera after we're done, because I think I want to put a little flower or a vine on the bird cage. And you can layer the transfers.
Oh, interesting.
So a lot of the ones that are on here right now have been layered.
That looks amazing. You did a great job.
Yeah, this one actually went faster than I wasn't sure, because sometimes the little lines can be a little tedious to remove. Now I'm just using the back of the transfer sheet. It's very smooth. This is what was protecting it before I removed it. And I just like to kind of rub over the top of my transfer to make sure that all my little edges are laying down. What do you think?
I think it turned out amazing.
Should we show?
Yeah, we should. We should. Let me slide out here.
Move my chair a little bit.
Good job.
There we go.
So let's turn it and show our friends how awesome that was.
I know. I love this.
Quick, you got it done.
Now, can you see the bird cage on there now?
You got it?
I do.
I'm going to come over here and see.
Does it look good?
Oh, it looks good. Yeah, it looks really good. Oh, that's even better, dear.
Yeah.
That's even better. Oh, that's perfect.
So
that is perfect.
I'm so happy with how this turned out.
So nice.
And we'll hang this up at Sugar Mill back in the IOD room, so you can have a peek at it. It's just going to be a demonstration piece. I don't know, maybe someday it'll end up in our house.
Inspiration?
We'll see. But yeah, hopefully that inspires you to give it a try. If you have a piece of glass, a window, a mirror that you'd like to try a transfer on, this is a really easy project. And I think it's a great beginner project, actually.
I am partial to the mirror. I think that is just, when you put transfers on mirrors, I think that's just phenomenal.
Yes, I know. You're going to try one, aren't you?
I got a mirror. I'm going to be doing it.
He's going to try one, so maybe next week we'll show your mirror.
Oh, very nice. I like it. I like it. That's awesome. So, excellent. Is that it, dear? Is that everything?
I know. I feel like that went really fast.
We went really fast this time.
I was thinking this was going to take longer than it did. But
well, it turned out perfect. Look how that laid down perfectly.
I know. It looks so good.
So, the color is
plum pudding.
Plum pudding.
That's one of the cottage colors. I did 3 coats on this because that it was kind of a darker wood.
It was dark. It
was very dark wood, and I just it turned out really great. I'll put the handle on
for you again, and that'll give it that cool look. And the transfer was the menagerie.
Yes,
transfer, and that was a good transfer.
Yeah, I'll be using these other pieces. There are a lot of other birds. I think there are at least 3 more bird cages in this set, and some fruit and flowers.
Nice.
It's a really good set.
So, Colorado Shop Pop. Check out Sugar Mill this weekend. We'll have the bench in our vintage booth. Thank you, Don.
We're going to get that in there later today.
We're going to go do that in a few minutes here. And this thing, I don't know that we'll get this up today. Probably this weekend. Golden ticket
at Vintage Marketplace.
And we appreciate you guys. Thank you for all the love, all the support. Please like, please follow, please share.
Yes.
And comment if you have any questions. We love you guys and we thank you. Have a great weekend. It looks sunny and 75 out there.
Yeah, enjoy spring.
Love you guys.
Love you. Bye-bye.